Hey y'all, any documents that you have inserted into your Google site, they're going to come in looking like this one. It looks like a spreadsheet that's working just fine for you, which it is. However, when visitors to your site access your website, they kind of look like this. The document is not published, or user does not have access. Some kind of error message. All right. Real easy to change that. Any document, for instance, your PE log that you insert in there, you have to change the permissions. So you go up to that share button in the top right corner. You click Advanced. And then right now, this is set to the one that I'm working with says anyone at Liberty Public Schools who has the link can view. However, we're going to make sure everybody on the planet can view that, and you choose public on the web. Select that one, click Save, click Done, and now any visitor to your site will have access to the same stuff that you're looking at. So that's how you do it. Peace.